If you're trying to break down the silos in your organization, you're framing the question in the wrong way and are likely to fail. We all know that silos create problems. They squeeze information flow and hinder spontaneous cross-functional collaboration and innovation. Indeed, business literature is full of handy tips and recipes telling you how to eliminate silos, change incentives, create unified visions, train together. But there's a reason why your silos stubbornly resist any kind of action against them. And that's because your people like them and appreciate them. Why? Because silos offer identity and safety and stability, all valued things in a VUCA world. So your people aren't going to let the silos be taken away without a fight. So in order to have any chance of making those silos go away, you'll need to find a way to define the problem that doesn't create a fear that people will lose something that they value. So what's the solution then? Well, if you can create something that makes the silos seem redundant, then you have a chance. And this is where intimate professional relationships come in. We're often told that relationships are the glue of the 21st century organization. Organizations where a lot of people know each other really well and trust each other create an invisible lattice across the organization through which ideas and innovation and energy can flow. Indeed, as a 21st century CEO, you should view this relationship lattice as the primary dimension of your organizational structure. So what about your organization? How many intimate professional relationships does each of your staff members have with other staff members? Take a mathematical approach. Is it 2, 5, 10, or more? Whatever your answer to that question, ask yourself what you can do to multiply that number by a factor of 10. One of our admittedly mathematically minded clients told us that his 300 middle managers have a total potential of 44,000 relationship pairs. Do the math yourself. And with an estimated starting point of less than 1,500 relationship pairs, he set about creating a relationship lattice by taking that number to at least 15,000. In other words, every middle manager has 50 intimate professional relationships, up from a starting point of 5. By creating such a relationship lattice of positive, trust-based relationships, your people will know who to call, they'll know of whom they can ask a favor, and that favor will likely be returned in the future. In short, you will have created something better and more exciting than the protective silos that people hold on to. So instead of trying to break down those silos, create a relationship lattice and watch your silos dissolve in front of your very eyes.